Today I'm going to show you a quick either lunch or dinner meal that my kids love, and it only takes 10 minutes in the air fryer. We're going to do chicken nuggets on one tray and fries on the other. I just put, you can do 10, 12. If you've got really big kids, you could do probably more chicken nuggets on the one tray. You just want to leave a little space so that there's room for the air to move all around them. Then I'm going to use my kids' favorite French fry, which is just a curly fry, and I'm going to spread them all over the tray. Once you have your trays filled, you're just going to go ahead and slide them on in. I'm going to set it air fry, and I'm just going to do 10 minutes. And then at the 5-minute mark, I'm going to flip the trays, so move them one top to the bottom. Alright, so it's halfway beef. I'm going to go ahead and pause and flip the trays. Alright, so the time is all up. I make this meal almost daily. My oldest loves chicken nuggets, so I cook chicken nuggets in this thing every day. If I'm cooking just the chicken nuggets, I do, depending on how many I put on. He likes 10, so it's about 7 minutes I put them in for. I don't even move it. I just stick them in, hit the start button, and they cook. But when I add the fries, that's when you up the time, because there's more food cooking. So, but like I showed, it's only a few more extra minutes. But in 10 minutes, you've got 2 meals. So I've got 2 kids upstairs. You can come on down and have some dinner. Well, I assume you're going to fast forward through all this, right? And there you go. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.